Welcome to the ultimate guide to healthy Nigerian jollof rice recipe. Today, we'll show you how to make this traditional West African dish in a healthier way. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups of lawn, grained parboiled rice, 1 cup of fresh tomatoes, 1 large bell pepper, 1 large onion, a handful of fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of vegetable broth, and salt to taste. Start by blending together the tomatoes, bell pepper, and half of the onion. This will form the base of the dish. Remember, using fresh ingredients not only adds to the flavor but also contributes to the overall healthiness of the dish. Next, heat up the olive oil in a large pot. Dice the remaining onion and sauté it until it becomes translucent. This process helps to release the aroma and flavor of the onion, making your jollof rice even more delicious. Once the onion is sautéed, add the blended tomato mixture to the pot. Stir thoroughly and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial to the taste of your jollof rice. The tomato mixture needs to be well cooked to avoid a raw tomato taste. After the tomato mixture is well cooked, add the vegetable broth. The broth adds depth to the flavor and helps to keep the rice moist. If you prefer a bit of heat, this is the perfect time to add some finely chopped chili pepper. Next, add the parboiled rice. Stir it into the tomato mixture until every grain is coated. This ensures that the flavor permeates every bite. Cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. Allow the rice to cook for about 30 minutes. While the rice is cooking, chop up the fresh parsley. Once the rice is fully cooked, sprinkle the parsley over the top just before serving. Fresh herbs like parsley add a vibrant color, a bit of texture, and a burst of flavor to the dish. And there you have it. A healthier version of the traditional Nigerian jollof rice. This dish is not only packed with flavor, but it's also full of nutritious ingredients. It's a great way to enjoy a traditional meal without the guilt. Remember, healthy eating does not mean sacrificing flavor. By making smart ingredient choices and using fresh produce, you can create a meal that's both delicious and good for you. So go ahead, give this recipe a try and enjoy a healthy, flavorful dish. We hope you enjoyed this guide to making a healthier version of Nigerian jollof rice. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes and cooking tips. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can transform your favorite meals into nutritious and flavorful dishes. Happy cooking!